Hello, my name is Hemen. Today I'm going to show you how to create your first WordPress website on WordPress Cloud Platform. Alright, I have already an awesome app here, which is not running yet, but I will create a new, my WordPress site. Alright, let's create it and click on it to go to the main page. Here, if you want to deploy your WordPress application, you click Insert from App Market, and from the app templates here, you should choose WordPress with MySQL and Apache. Just click Insert, and you'll be directed back to the main page. The system will ask you, do you want to create the dependencies declared in the docx.yaml file? But just say yes, and that's it. All the dependencies that are needed for running your WordPress, like MySQL and all its configurations and all the volumes that are needed to store data, are here. The only thing that you need to do after that is to add domain, but you don't have to worry about it because we give you a free subdomain for testing your applications. So alright, for deploying your app, you just come to the deploy tab. I showed you the other ones, and here you just click on run all, and your website will be up and running. MySQL needs some initialization. You can click on the logs to see what's going on with the MySQL and also with your main. If you are a developer, you can check out and debug stuff here, but usually you don't have to do anything about it. It's just there if in case you need it. So now the application is in the running state, and you click on this link, and basically the WordPress installation is ready for you to use. Alright, you give yourself you give your site a site title or something and some email, and just click install WordPress, and it should be up and running in a few seconds. That's it. Just log in with the saved password that I just saved, and ta-da, I'm inside. If you want to look at the website, here it's just a temporary default WordPress, but you can go and change the posts or edit the posts. For example, this hello world that is here, you can easily go and change anything that you want, but this doesn't have to do anything with docx. Now we are inside WordPress installation, and as far as WordPress is concerned, the deployment is done and the website is ready, and from now on you just have to just edit your WordPress website and rock. Let's check it out if the change has been done. Yes, the change is now done, and the WordPress website is up and running.